Ooh, let's get the clapper. Let's get the clapper. Yes, the clapper. I almost forgot. I can use this. And action. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I've decided that I need something from you. I need your best, oh, hi, how are you? Yes, hello. I need the weirdest or best Amazon products you've ever found that are art related. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is crazy, this is weird, that this is just some weird video. And you'd be right. There is no substance to this video besides asking you for your crazy art related Amazon links. So please email me at this email. I'll put it right here. Okay. My card ran out of memory. Take two. But anyways, email me your crazy Amazon links right here. Okay. My SD card ran out of memory again. So take 3. Please, before my memory card runs out of memory, please scour the internet for the weirdest or the best art stuff you've seen online, specifically through Amazon, because Amazon Prime is awesome. And another scene action. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to be making a YouTube video reviewing these products. So if you guys want to send them to me, that'd be really cool. But anyway, this is the kind of idea that you have at like 8 p.m. at night, and you make a random video about it and you start posting about it on social media. Is this YouTube? Okay, I'm gonna go fade into the darkness now. Okay, bye.